Hello everyone, this is the second video on material variance. Now let us look at this illustration. It says from the following particulars compute material cost variance, material price variance and material usage variance. Now if you look at these formula, you'll find that the variable used in these formula are the actual price, the actual quantity, the standard price and the standard quantity. Now let's look at this problem, what has been given. Now, if you look at the entire problem, what is given here is only the standard rate of material. That is, the standard price has been given. The rest is missing, so we have to find it out. So the standard rate of material or the standard price per unit is rupees 2.50 per unit. Now, let us look at the other items in the problem. So now, first of all, they have given you the quantity of materials purchased. So this is 3,000 units. Then the value of material purchased, that is rupees 9,000. So based on these two information, you can find the actual price per unit. So now, if you see from basic calculation, the actual price per unit will be the value of material purchase divided by the actual quantity of material purchase. So it will be rupees 9,000 divided by 3,000 units. So the actual price per unit will come to rupees 3 per unit. So rupees 3 per unit into 3,000 units will get rupees 9,000. Then as I've told you, the standard price has been given, that is 2.50 per unit. Now what we need is a standard quantity. Now if you look at the problem, they have given the standard quantity of material purchase per ton of output. So it means that per ton of output, the standard quantity used is 30 units. So you have to find out how much is the standard quantity. Now if you look at the entire problem, they have given you the output during the period, that is 80 tons. So during the period, the output is 80 tons. So we have to find out the standard quantity for actual output in this particular problem. So the standard quantity for actual output will be 80 tons into 30 units. So it means that the actual output is 80 tons and per ton the standard quantity is 30 units. So 80 tons into 30 units will be 2,400 in units. So it means that this is a standard quantity for actual output will be 2,400 units. Then we need the actual quantity. So it means that the quantity consumed during the period. So the most common formula is the opening stock plus purchase minus closing stock. So here the opening stock is nil, so it is nil here. Then we have to take the purchase. So the quantity of material purchase or the purchase made during this particular period is 3,000 units. So it will be the opening stock plus the purchase, that is 3,000 units, then minus the closing stock, that is 500 units. So it means that the actual quantity used during the period or the material consumed during the period is 2,500 units. So before moving on to the solution, so remember the actual price per unit is 3, the standard price is 2.50 per unit, then the standard quantity is 2,400 units and the actual quantity is 2,500 units. Now let us look at the first variance, that is the material cost variance, that is standard cost minus actual cost, or the formula for standard cost is standard quantity into standard price. Then the formula for actual cost will be actual quantity into actual price. So the standard quantity is 2,400, the standard price is 2.50, then the actual quantity is 2,500 and the actual price is rupees 3. So we'll have here 1,500 under since it is a minus sign. Then the next one is the material price variance. So the formula for material price variance is standard price minus actual price into actual quantity. So the standard price is 2.50, the actual price is 3 and the actual quantity is 2,500. So we'll get here 1,250 adverse since it is a minus sign. Then the material usage variance, we have standard quantity minus actual quantity into standard price. So the standard quantity is 2,400, the actual quantity is 2,500 and standard price is 2.50. So again it is a minus sign, so it's 250 adverse. Then let us check. So the formula for material cost variance is equal to material price variance plus material usage variance. So the material cost variance is 1,500 adverse, the material price variance is 1,250 adverse and the material usage variance is 250 adverse. So here the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So the answer is correct.